going to make a proximity poster. We're going to use PowerPoint to make this poster. Oops, a blank PowerPoint, honestly. Don't need this one. The first thing we need to do is put our title across the top of the slide. So I like to use word art. So if I go here to insert word art, pick what form I want to use and type in the word proximity. Maybe I'll just make it all caps lock. And I can change the type of font I have here. Pick whatever font. Maybe. Pick a different font, you know. And then I want to change the size because I want it to be all the way across the top of my poster that I am creating. But I only want the word to go all the way across. So let's try this. 160. There we go. Let's say I want to change the color of my font, maybe. Let's change it to green. Oh, that's kind of cool. Now I need to figure out what 3 images I want on one side and what 5 images I want on the other side. So let's look for pictures. I'm going to just use stock images. I'm going to type in butterflies. And I really just want a ping. Oh, nothing came out. A butterfly. Butterfly, where, let's just, I guess I'll pick this one, insert. I'm pretty sure I can remove the background of this butterfly. And say enter, maybe? Yeah. And now I can kind of move this butterfly and resize it because I need Command C or copy, paste. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to do a little cameo in here and to have myself talking so that you can see me. Let's see if I can do that. Insert cameo. There we go. So that you can see what's going on here. So I have 3. Let me do. And I have 4 now. And these are fairly close to each other. Now I need to have. And they're all the same size. They're all uniform. I mean, I could just have them stack on top of each other. But the idea is that you understand proximity. They don't have to be. They just have to be close. Okay? Now I need another 5, something with, I need 5 images that are the same on the other side of my poster. So I go insert, pictures, browse from stock images, and I'm going to type in bear, B-A-R, PNG. I'll just put bear, just put a bear, any bear, I want a bear like, click this one, insert, and I'm going to remove the background of this one also. And enter. And then I'm going to resize him because I need 5 of him. Copy, paste, paste. Oops. We're going to have to think. I'm going too fast for my computer. 1, 2. Copy, paste. Copy, copy, paste. Okay. Oops.
It's efficient.
And so all my bears are the same size. They're all in proximity of each other. Okay. I think I'm going to change this title because I don't like the green with all that brown. And that does the job. That gets the assignment done, guys. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this anymore. So I can export this. So I will go, I can either save it as a PowerPoint, or I can save it as an image, or I can save it as a movie. So I'm going to go File and Export. Let's see if it'll let me save it as a movie and keep my screencast on here. Movie. And I'm going to call this Proximity Example. And save it. And then I'm going to stop my screencast because I have it that way too. And say thank you for watching.